Hi, hello everybody, MMM Global member. I am Narit Kanika from Thailand. I am a member of MMM Global Bitcoin. I start to join on 6 November 2015, and I start provide help about $50. Today I am really happy because I can get help from MMM participant on 4th January 2016. In the second time, it's about 1,150 US dollar. It is my accumulated interest. Thank you so much. Thank you for all participants to get help for me, and thank you for Sergey Melody. We are to change the world. Thank you so much. Bye bye.